Dear students, today we will solve the exercise 6.1 from the chapter Circle. Let's see the question 1. Find equation of circle with first is center at origin and radius 4. If center is at origin means we have to find equation of circle in standard form. And what is the equation of circle? See, equation of circle in standard form is x square plus y square is equal to r square. And what is r here? Here r is 4. Keep the value of r, then we will get x square plus y square is equal to 4 square. That is x square plus y square is equal to 16. This is equation of circle if center is at origin and radius is 4. See always that if center is at origin means we have to find equation of circle in standard form. And formula for equation of circle in standard form is x square plus y square is equal to r square. You only keep the value of r and simplify it. Okay. Then what is the second? Find equation of circle with center at -3, -2 and radius 6. Here center is given, radius is given, means we have to find equation of circle in center radius form. Write down formula. Equation of circle is, what is the formula for center radius form? X minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. What is here center? Center is -3, -2. Radius is 6. Means value of h is -3, value of k is -2 and r is 6. Keep that values in this formula. Then I will get x minus of -3 plus y minus of -2. Its square is equal to 6 square. Therefore, this means x plus minus of minus plus x plus 3 square plus y plus 2 square is equal to 6 square means 36. Now simplify this. Expand the first bracket. This will be x square plus 6x plus 9. Then y square plus 4y plus 4. Take this 36 to the left hand side. Then this will be minus 36 is equal to 0. Now in the last step you write down the term of x square first. Then term of y square. Then term of x. Then term of y. And what is this? 6 plus 4. This is 13. Plus 13 minus 36. Means this will be minus 23 is equal to 0. And this is your equation of circle in center radius form. And here if we solve the equation of circle in center radius form, we will get the circle in the general form. Okay. Then let's see the next. Now what is third? Find equation of circle with center at 2 minus 3 and radius 5. Again here center is given means value of h and k is given, and here radius is 5 means here r is 5. Okay. Again you write down the equation of circle. Write down the center radius form. X minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. Keep the value of h2, value of k minus 3 and value of r5 in this equation. Then we will get x minus 2 square plus y minus of minus 3 means plus 3, its square, and this will be 5 square. Now expand this. This will be x square minus 4x plus 4. This will be y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 25. Okay. Now simplify this. Write down x square term first, then term of y square, then term of x, then term of y. And this is 9 plus 4, 13. Plus 13. Take this 25 to the left hand side. Then plus 13 minus 25. This will be minus 12 is equal to 0. This is your equation of circle with center at 2 minus 3 and radius 5. Okay. Then we will see the next. Now again same headline, find the equation of circle with center at -3 and passing through point -3 -6. Now see what is this. Draw the rough diagram here. Now see here center is -3 and circle is passing through point -3 -6. Okay. Join this. Suppose this is point P. See center is -3 and circle is passing through point -3 -6. Suppose this is point P. Then if we find this CP, then what is this CP? This CP is nothing but radius of the circle. By distance formula we will find out this CP. Then what will be this? Minus 3 minus minus plus 3 square. Then this minus 6 plus 3 square. Okay. Then this will be 0 square plus minus 3 square. Okay. Means this will be 0 plus 9. That is under root 9. And if I take the square root, if here we are taking square root, then don't take plus minus 3, only take plus 3, because this is the radius and radius never will be negative. If radius is negative, circle will not exist. Therefore, for distance, whenever you are taking the square root, take the positive value. Okay. Here r is 3 and center is minus 3 minus 3. Using center radius form, we will find the equation of circle. Okay. Therefore, here write down equation of circle is, write down center radius form, x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. This is your h and k. Okay. Therefore, this will be x minus of minus 3 means x plus 3 square. This is y minus of minus 3 means plus 3 its square, and this will be 3 square. Now expand this will be x square plus 6x plus 9. Then expansion of second bracket, y square plus 6y plus 9, and this 3 square 9. Okay. Now here write down first x square term, then y square, then term of x, then term of y. Okay. Now this 9 and this 9 will get cancelled. Only this 9 remains. Therefore write down plus 9 is equal to 0. This is your equation. If center is minus 3 and circle passing through point minus 3 minus 6. Okay. In this way it is very simple. You only remember that if circle is passing through origin, we have to use the standard form, and if center and radius is given, you have to use the center radius formula to find the equation of circle. Okay. Let's see the next question. Now what is the question 2? Find the center and radius of the circle. Here equation of circles in different forms are given. We have to check in which type the equation of circle is given, and we have to compare this equation with that form. Here x square plus y square is equal to 25 is given, means equation of circle in standard form is given. Therefore I will compare this equation with x square plus y square is equal to r square. Therefore what will be center here? Center will be origin and radius will be, see here, r square is 25, therefore r will be 5, radius will be 5, and center will be origin, because equation is in standard form, and if equation is in standard form, center is origin and radius is, here take the square root of 25, it will be 5. Again this is radius, therefore only take the positive value when you are taking square root. Okay, let's see the next question. Find center and radius of the circle x minus 5 square plus y minus 3 square is equal to 20. Now here equation of circle is given in center radius form. Therefore we will compare this equation with center radius form. Therefore you write down comparing with x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. If the equation is center radius form, center is hk and radius is r. Okay. Now if I compare these two equations, then what will be h? H will be 5 and k will be what? K will be 3. Compare these two terms, h will be 5 and k will be 3. And here r square is 20. R square is 20 means to find r we will take the square root of 20. And this 20 can be written as 5 into 4. Therefore r will be 2 root 5. In this way we have find out center 5 3 and radius is 2 root 5. In this way we have find out center and radius of the circle comparing the given equation with center radius form. Okay, let's see the next problem. Now what is the next? Again find center and radius of the circle, and third problem is x minus half square plus y plus 1 upon 3 square is equal to 1 upon 36. Again, this equation is given in center radius form, and we know that in center radius form there is x minus h, y minus k. Here is x minus half, y plus 1 upon 3. Therefore, we will rearrange this equation. Now, after rearranging, this equation becomes x minus half square plus y. This plus 1 upon 3, I can write minus of minus 1 upon 3. Minus minus becomes plus here. Okay, is equal to 1 upon 6 square. I can write like this. Now compare this equation with center radius form. X minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. Now what is h here? H is half, k is minus 1 upon 3. And this is r square. 1 upon 36 means 1 upon 6 square. This is r square means r will be here 1 upon 6. Okay. Now what will be center? Center is hk means here center is half minus 1 upon 3 and radius is 1 upon 6. In this way we have find out center and radius comparing given equation with center radius form. Such type of problems will be asked in the exam for 2 marks. If we find out center, you will get 1 mark, and for radius we will get the second mark. Okay students, in this way it is very easy. You remember this formula of center radius form and also the standard form. If you remember the equation of circle in standard form and in center radius form, it is very easy to find center and radius of the any circle. Okay students, let's see the next problem. Find equation of circle with center at AB and touching the y-axis. Here we will draw the rough diagram. Circle is touching the y-axis and center is what? Center is AB. What is this? This distance is nothing but x coordinate, means what will be radius here? Radius will be A. You remember that? If circle is touching the y-axis, x coordinate of point is nothing but the radius of circle. Okay. Now what is center here? Center is AB, radius is A, and we have to find the equation of circle. Center is given, radius is given, then equation of circle in center radius form. What will be that? X minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. Okay, here r is A, this is hk, means value of h is A, value of k is B. Okay, now keep these values. X minus a square plus y minus b square is equal to a square. Okay, now we will simplify this. Then this will be x square minus 2ax plus a square. Now expand the second bracket. This will be y square minus 2by plus b square is equal to a square. In the next step, you write down first term of x square, then term of y square, then term of x, then term of y. Okay. Now this a square and this a square will get cancelled, and what remains here? Only remains b square. This is your equation of circle with center at AB and touching y-axis. Okay. Now what is the second question? Headline is same. Find the equation of circle with center at minus 2, 3 and touching the x-axis. Okay. Again we will draw here rough diagram. Draw here x-axis, y-axis. Then locate the point. The 1, 2, 3. Suppose this point minus 2, 3 is here. Draw the rough diagram. This is the center. Minus 2, 3. Now circle is touching x-axis. Circle is touching x-axis means what is this distance? This distance is 3. Means here r is 3 and center is minus 2, 3. Means this is the value of hk and this is the value of r. You only remember that if circle is touching x-axis, y coordinate is radius, and if circle is touching y-axis, x coordinate will be the radius of circle. Again here center is given, radius is given. What is the equation of circle? Here we will use the center radius form. X minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. Now what is value of h? That is minus 2. Then minus of minus 2 means plus 2. This is y minus k is 3 is equal to r square means 3 square. Okay. Then simplify this, expand the first bracket. This will be x square plus 4x plus 4. Now expand the second bracket. This will be y square minus 6y plus 9. And this 3 square means 9. Now in the last step you write down first term of x square, then term of y square. X square plus y square, then plus 4x minus 6y. This 9 will get cancelled with this 9 and here only remains plus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation of circle with center at minus 2, 3 and touching the x-axis. Okay. Then we will see the next again. What is the third? Find equation of circle with center on x-axis and passing through origin having radius 4. Okay. See here equation of circle. Center on x-axis. Center is on x-axis and circle is passing through origin. Means circle is either this form or of this form. Means here radius is 4. Okay. Center will be either 40 or minus 40. Okay. This is the possibility. Find equation of circle with center on x-axis. Center is on x-axis. Circle is passing through origin. Radius is 4. Means either this center lies on positive direction of x-axis or on negative direction of x-axis. If center is on positive direction of x-axis, center will be 40. Or if center is on negative direction, then center will be minus 40. Means we will get these two possibilities. Therefore, we will find equation of circles. In one case, we will take the center 40 and in other case, we will take the center minus 40. And radius is what? 4. Okay. Therefore, you write down equation of circle in center radius form. X minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. In first equation, we will keep the center 40 and in second equation, we will keep the value of center minus 40. Using the same formula, center radius form. Okay. Now in this equation, I will keep the value of center 40. Therefore, this will be x minus 4 square plus y minus 0 square is equal to 4 square. And for this second, x minus 4 means minus minus plus 4 plus y minus 0 square is equal to 4 square. Now simplify this. This will be x square minus 8x plus 16. Y minus 0 square means y square is equal to 16. Now simplify this. X square plus y square minus 8x. This plus 16 minus 16 will get cancelled and we will get the equation of circle x square plus y square minus 8x is equal to 0. Now expand this. This will be x square plus 8x plus 16. Y minus 0 square means y square, 4 square, 16. Again this 16 to the both side will get cancelled and we will get equation of circle x square plus y square plus 8x is equal to 0. In this way we have got two equation of circles, that is x square plus y square plus minus 8x is equal to 0. There are two possibilities of center. Therefore, here we have got two equation of circles. Okay. Let's see the next problem. Again, find the equation of circle with center at 3, 1 and touching the line 8x minus 15y plus 25 is equal to 0. Here we will draw the rough diagram. Draw the circle. 3, 1 is center and line 8x minus 15y plus 25 is equal to 0 touches the circle. If I join this center and touching point of line to the circle, then I will get this distance. If point is P and this center is C, then I will got this distance CP and this distance CP is nothing but the radius of circle. Now in our previous chapter in the straight line, we have studied how to find the distance of point from the line. And what is that formula? See here, if equation of line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and point is P x1 y1, then distance between point and this line is given by ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root a square plus b square, where a is coefficient of x, b is coefficient of y and c is constant and x and y1 are coordinates of point P. Okay, we will use this formula. Here this distance CP is nothing but a radius. If I find out this distance of point from line, that is distance of center from this line, then I will get distance CP, means nothing but the radius. Now we will use this formula. What is A here? A is 8, B is minus 15 and C is 25. And value of x1, y1 is 3 and 1. Therefore write down A means here 8. x1 is x coordinate of center, that is 3. Then B is minus 15. Then y1 means y coordinate of center, that is 1. And C means this constant 25. Okay. Divided by under root a square b square means coefficients of x and y of the line. Therefore 8 square plus minus 15 square. Now simplify this. After simplification I will get here 8 into 3 24 minus 15 plus 25 divided by under root 8 square 64 plus 15 square, that is 2 to 5. Okay. Now this minus 59 plus 25 means plus 10 plus 10 plus 24 means 34 divided by in the square root. Take the addition of 64 and 2 to 5, that is 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 2 8, this will be 289. And what is the square root of 289? This is the square of 17. This can be written as 17 into 17. Okay. Means this is 34 divided by 70 is equal to 2. In this way we have got radius 2 with the given information. Now we know the center 3 1, radius 2. Now we will use the formula center radius form to find the equation of circle. Okay. Therefore write down equation of circle in center radius form is, and write down the formula. What is the formula? X minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. Okay. Now what is h here? Coordinates of point C are hk, means this is h, this is k. Okay. Keep the value x minus 3 square plus y minus 1 square is equal to 2 square. Now we will simplify this. X square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 4. Now I will write the term of x square, then term of y square, then term of x, then term of y. 9 plus 1 10. 10 minus 4. Shift this 4 to the left hand side, that becomes minus 4. 10 minus 4 means plus 6. This is nothing but your equation of circle having center at 3 1 and touching the line 8x minus 15y plus 25 is equal to 0. Okay. Remember that with the given information, here center is already given, and with given information we have find out radius using the formula distance of point from the line. And if we find out radius, then it is very easy to find the equation of circle using center radius form. Okay students, let's see the next. Let's see the question 4. Find equation of circle if the equations of two diameters are 2x plus y is equal to 6 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 4 when radius of circle is 9. Okay. First you write down what is given here. Here radius is given 9 and equation of two diameters are given. Okay. Consider this 2x plus y is equal to 6 equation 1 and this 3x plus 2y is equal to 4 as equation 2. Now if this is first diameter and this is second diameter, we know that these diameters of a circle intersect each other at center. Means point of intersection of these two diameters is nothing but center of circle. And if we got the center of circle, then radius is already known and we will find the equation of circle by center radius form. Now to find the center, we will solve these two equations. Here you write down point of intersection of diameters is center of circle. Okay. Therefore, we will solve this equation 1 and 2 and we will get value of x and y, and that value of x and y is nothing but center of circle. Okay. To solve these two equations, first we will multiply equation 1 by 2 and then we will subtract second from the first. Okay. Now multiply equation 1 by 2, then we will get 4x plus 2y is equal to 12. Now second equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. We are subtracting second equation from first. Therefore you change the signs Then this 4x minus 3x will be x. This plus 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. 12 minus 4, 8. In this way, we have got value of x is equal to 8. Now keep x is equal to 8 in equation 1. Then we will get value of y. And what is value of y? 8 into 2, 16. If we transfer this 16 to the right hand side, then that becomes negative. 6 minus 16 minus 10. In this way, we have got value of x 8 and value of y minus 10. Therefore, C xy, that is center of circle, 8 minus 10. And radius of circle is 9, which is already given. In this way, we have find out center. Radius is already given and we will find the equation of circle by center radius form. Therefore, write down equation of circle is. Write down first formula of center radius form, x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. Here what is h? H is 8 and k is minus 10 and r is 9. Keep that values in this equation. X minus 8 square plus y minus of 10 means plus 10 and here 9 square. Okay, now expand this bracket. This will be x square minus 16x plus 64 and this will be y square plus 20y plus 100 and here square of 9, 81. Now simplify this. This is nothing but x square plus y square minus 16x plus 20y. I am writing first term of x square, then y square, then x, then y. And write down the constant here. Now here 100 and 64, 164. Take this 81 to the left hand side, that becomes minus 81. 164 minus 81 means plus 83. Okay, and this is your equation of circle in center radius form. Okay students, in this way here equation of two diameters are given in the problem. We have solved that equation of two diameters because point of intersection of diameters is nothing but center of circle. We have solved these two equations and we have got center of the circle and radius is already given, and using center radius form we have find out the equation of circle. You remember this formula, center radius form? If you remember this formula, then it is very easy to find the equation of circle. Okay, let's see the next problem. Now what is the question fifth? If y is equal to 2x is a chord of a circle, x square plus y square minus 10x is equal to 0, find the equation of circle with this chord as diameter. See here, one of the circle is given and its chord is given and we have to find the equation of circle whose this chord is diameter. Now we will draw here rough diagram. Now suppose this is the given circle and we will draw its chord y is equal to 2x. Suppose this is the given circle and this is the chord whose equation is y is equal to 2x. Now we have to find equation of circle whose this chord is diameter. Means we have to draw here second circle whose diameter is this much. Okay, then we will draw here rough diagram. Now see this circle whose this chord is diameter. Suppose this is the circle whose equation is given, x square plus y square minus 10x is equal to 0. This is y is equal to 2x, the chord of circle, and we have to find equation of this circle whose this chord is diameter. Means we have to find the equation of this small circle. Okay. Now this chord y is equal to 2x cuts the big circle in 2 points. Okay. Suppose this cuts the circle at 2 points A and B. Okay. And if we find the coordinates of these 2 points, then I will get the end points of diameter of small circle and I will be able to find the equation of circle using the diameter form. Okay. Now see here, the line y is equal to 2x cuts or intersects circle at these 2 points. Means if I keep value of y 2x in this equation of circle, then I will get the points of intersection. Okay, therefore suppose this is equation 1, y is equal to 2x cuts circle at 2 points, say A and B. Okay, now to find the point of intersection, to find points of intersection, keep y is equal to 2x in equation 1. I will keep value of y 2x in equation 1, then I will get this point of intersection. Therefore equation 1 becomes here 2x square minus 10x is equal to 0. That is x square plus 4x square minus 10x is equal to 0. Therefore 5x square minus 10x is equal to 0. Now take here 5x common, then I will get in the bracket x minus 2 is equal to 0. Product of these two is 0 means either this 5x is 0 or x minus 2 is 0. That is x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. In this way I have got two values of x. Now we know that y is equal to 2x. Okay. Here we know that equation of chord is y is equal to 2x. If I keep value of x is equal to 0, then I get y is equal to 0. And if I keep x is equal to 2, then I will get y is equal to 4. In this way, we have got 2 points. Therefore, 2 points are first point 0, 0 and second point 2, 4. And these 2 points are points of intersection of circle and chord. Means these are nothing but coordinates of point A and B. These 2 points of intersection are nothing but coordinates of point A and B, at which these chord intersects the big circle. But for the small circle, these points A and B are nothing but the end points of diameter of circle. Means these A and B are end points of diameters of small circle. And if these two are end points of diameters of small circle, then it is very easy to find the equation of circle using diameter form. Therefore, here you write down AB is diameter of required circle. Therefore, equation of circle is, and what is the diameter form? Diameter form is x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of circle in diameter form. Suppose this point as x1, y1 and this point as x2, y2 and keep these values. Therefore, x minus 0, x minus 2 plus y minus 0, y minus 4 is equal to 0. Means this is x into x minus 2 plus y into y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we will simplify this. This is nothing but x square minus 2x plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. Now first you write down the term of x square, then term of y square, then term of x, then term of y is equal to 0. Okay. This is the equation of required circle whose y is equal to 2x is diameter. Okay. Y is equal to 2x is chord of first circle, but it is the diameter of second circle. Okay. In this way, we have find out the equation of circle whose chord y is equal to 2x is diameter. Okay, students. Here you must remember this diameter form of circle. Then let's see the next question. Find the equation of circle with radius 4 units and touching both the coordinate axes having center in third quadrant. Here is given radius is 4 unit and from the given information we will draw the rough diagram. Circle touches both the coordinate axis and radius is 4 unit and it lies in third quadrant. Now radius is 4 means distance of center from x-axis is also 4 and y-axis is also 4. But as point lies in third quadrant, therefore x coordinate and y coordinate both will be negative. Now we will write this here. As the circle lies in third quadrant and touches both the axes, therefore center will be minus 4, minus 4. Here we know the center and radius, then it is very easy to find the equation of circle using center radius form. Therefore you write down equation of circle is, and what is the formula for center radius form? X minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. This x coordinate consider as h and y coordinates as k of this center. Okay. Now here value of x is minus 4. Okay. Therefore I will write this minus 4. X minus of minus 4 plus y minus of minus 4 its square and here radius is 4, its square. Okay, this minus minus become plus, means x plus 4 square plus y plus 4 square is equal to this 4 square. Now simplify this. This is nothing but x square plus 8x plus 16. Expansion of first bracket. Then expansion of second bracket, y square plus 8y plus 16. And here square of 4 again 16. Now in the next step, this 16 and this 16 will get cancelled. And what remains? X square plus y square plus 8x plus 8y plus this 16. Okay. This is nothing but your equation of circle which lies in third quadrant, touches both the coordinate axis and whose radius is 4 unit. Okay student, isn't it easy? Remember this formula, center radius form. Find out center and keep the values and simplify it. You will get the solution. Okay, let's see the next question. Find equation of circle passing through origin and having intercepts 4 and minus 5 on the coordinate axis. Now circle passes through origin. X intercept is 4, means it cuts x axis at point 40. Y intercept is minus 5, means this distance is 5 unit. Y intercept is minus 5, means this circle cuts y axis at point 0 minus 5. Okay, but we know that x and y axis are perpendicular at origin. Join these 2 points, and these points are nothing but endpoints of diameter, because we know that angle in a semicircle is always right angle. This is right angle, means this is a semicircle, and these 40 and 0 minus 5 are nothing but endpoints of diameter of circle. Therefore you write down here x intercept is 4 and y intercept is minus 5. Therefore circle cuts x axis at 40 and y axis at point 0 minus 5. Okay, suppose this point is A and this point is B. Now this major angle AOB is 90 degree. X axis is perpendicular to y axis. Therefore major angle AOB is 90 degree, and we know by property of circle that angle in a semicircle is right angle, means this AOB is semicircle. Okay, therefore A and B are endpoints of diameter. Therefore here AB is diameter and A and B are endpoints of diameter of circle. Here we know the endpoints of diameter of circle, then it is very easy to find the equation of circle using diameter form. Therefore equation of circle is x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 is equal to 0. Here point A is 40, B is 0 minus 5. Suppose this is x1 y1 and this point as x2 y2. Okay, now keep the value x minus 4 x minus 0 plus y minus 0 y minus of minus 5 means plus 5. Now simplify this. This is nothing but x into x minus 4 and this is y into y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now I will simplify this. This is nothing but x square minus 4x plus y square plus 5y is equal to 0. And after simplification, this is nothing but x square plus y square minus 4x plus 5y is equal to 0. And this is your required equation of circle which cuts x-axis and y-axis at point 40 and 0 minus 5. Means this is equation of circle which passes through origin having x-intercept 4, y-intercept minus 5. Okay students, you remember this formula, equation of circle in diameter form. Okay, let's see the last question. Find equation of circle passing through the points 1 minus 4, 5, 2 and having its center on the line x minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, now here we will draw the rough diagram. Now here circle passes through 2 points. Suppose this is point 1 minus 4 and this is point 5, 2. Okay, suppose these are 2 points on this circle and consider the line. Suppose this is center of circle and this is the line x minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0 and center of circle lies on this line. Now here we will consider this point as A and this second point as B. Okay. And let CHK be the center of circle. Let C be the center of circle whose coordinates are HK. If I join the center with points A and B, then what is this CA? This CA, CB, these are nothing but radius of circle. And we know the coordinates of points A, B and C. Therefore, you write down this CA square is equal to CB square. Therefore, by distance formula, I will find this CA square, that will be H minus 1 square plus K minus minus plus 4 square is equal to here H minus 5 square plus K minus 2 square. Okay. Now expand this. This will be H square minus 2H plus 1. Expansion of this K square plus 8K plus 16. Expansion of this H square minus 10H plus 25. Expansion of second bracket K square minus 4K plus 4. Now this H square will get cancelled with this H square. This K square will get cancelled with this K square. Now transfer all the terms to the left hand side. Then this minus 10H becomes plus 10. Plus 10 minus 2H means 8H. Now this minus 4K becomes plus 4. 8 plus 4, 12K. Now this 16 plus 1, 17. And this 25 plus 4, 29. 17 minus 29 will be minus 12. Okay. And divide throughout by 4. Then I will get 2H plus 3K minus 3 is equal to 0. In this way, I will get the first equation. Now this center HK lies on this line. Means this center or these coordinates H and K will satisfy the equation of line. Therefore, you write down center lies on line x minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, it satisfies the equation of line. Keep the value of x h and value of y k. Therefore, equation of line becomes h minus 2k plus 9 is equal to 0. And I will got the second equation. Now see equation 1 and 2 both are in h and k. Solving equation 1 and 2, I will get the value of h and k. That means the coordinates of center. Okay. Therefore, you write down solving equation 1 and 2. Here, to find the value of h and k, I will multiply equation 2 by 2 and then I will subtract it from equation 1. Then what will be the next step? What is the first equation? 2h plus 3k minus 3 is equal to 0. Now multiply equation 2 by 2. Then that will be 2h minus 4k plus 18 is equal to 0. Now subtract this from equation first. Then this the sign becomes minus. This becomes plus minus. Okay. This plus 2h minus 2h will get cancelled. 4 plus 3, 7k minus 3 minus 18 minus 21 is equal to 0. 7k is equal to 21 means k is equal to 3. Now keep k is equal to 3 in equation 2. And what is equation 2? Equation 2 is h minus 2k plus 9 is equal to 0. Keep the value of k 3 here. Now simplify this. This will be minus 6 plus 9 means h plus 3 is equal to 0 and we will get value of h minus 3. Okay. Value of k is 3. Value of h is minus 3 means center will be minus 3, 3. In this way, we have got center of the circle. Okay. Now, it is very easy to find the radius. See here, CA is here, radius. Okay. And what is A? Here, A is coordinates of A are 1 minus 4. And we have got coordinates of C also. And CA is nothing but radius of circle. Again, we will find out radius using the distance formula. This will be minus 3 minus 1 square plus 3 minus minus plus 4 square. And if I simplify this, then I will get this minus 4 square plus 7 square. That is 16 plus 49 under root. And this will be root 65. This is the radius of circle. Okay, now we know the center, we know the radius, then it is very easy to find the equation of circle using center radius form. Okay, we have find out here center and radius, therefore write down here center radius, then we will find out equation of circle using center radius form. Okay, then write down equation of circle is, write down formula center radius form, x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. These coordinates of center are nothing but hk. Therefore x minus of minus 3 means x plus 3 square plus y minus 3 square is equal to root 65 h square. Then simplify this. This is nothing but x square plus 6x plus 9. This is y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 65. Now transfer all to the left hand side. Then I will get x square plus y square plus 6x minus 6y. Now this 9 plus 9 18, and transfer this 65 to the left hand side. 18 minus 65 will be minus 47. Okay. Now this is your required equation of circle which passes through given 2 points and center lies on the given line. Okay. In this way, in today's lecture, we have finished all the problems from exercise 6.1 from the chapter circle. Okay students, we will meet in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.